Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube thumbnail for a gaming channel. So we're going to upload our image. We're going to resize to match the background. Now we're going to go to edit image, magic grab. We're going to grab the lady and we're going to grab this. Now we're going to select grab. Once that step is completed, we're going to go to elements. We're going to search a shape. We're going to change the color of the shape to white. We're going to put it at the top. We're going to adjust it. Now we're going to turn the transparency of this to about 78. Now we're going to duplicate, bring it to the bottom, and we're going to go to apps and we're going to search type gradient. Now we're going to type the text that we want. You can adjust the font. You can change the colors. You can adjust the color right here. So make it more half and half if you want. Now we're going to add to design. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put this on our next page. We're going to get rid of everything here. And then we're going to save this one as a transparent PNG. So we're going to download page 3. Done. Ensure transparent background is on. Download. Now we're going to get rid of this page. We're going to go back to this page, get rid of this. Now we're going to go to uploads, add our text, resize. Now we're going to go to edit image. We're going to scroll to shadows. Then we're going to select outline. We're going to work with the black one, so we're going to turn down the size. This is fine. We're going to work with this size. Now we're going to bring the character to the front. To adjust the size of the character. Now you can add whatever elements you want on it. I'm going to add this. I'm going to add some text. I'm going to adjust the spacing of the text. Change the font. Change the color. Now we're going to go to effects. We're going to select lift. going to duplicate, add a next text. Now we're going to add a last text. We're going to bring it to the top. We're going to change the color of this one to black. And we're going to adjust the line spacing. Going to make it smaller. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.